Today, we have an exciting topic that many dream about: becoming a millionaire in just 30 days. But hold on, we're not promising any magic tricks or shortcuts. We're here to discuss a realistic step-by-step guide to building wealth. Let's dive in. Section 1. Setting financial goals. The first step towards millionaire status is setting clear financial goals. What do you want to achieve? Break it down into short-term and long-term goals. It's essential to have a roadmap for your journey. Section 2. Creating a budget. Now, let's talk budgeting. Knowing where your money is going is crucial. Identify areas where you can cut back and allocate those funds towards your wealth-building goals. Discipline is key here. Section 3. Increase your income. It's time to explore ways to boost your income. Whether it's a side hustle, freelancing, or seeking a higher-paying job, find opportunities to increase your earning potential. Section 4. Smart investing. Diving into the world of investing is vital. Consider stocks, real estate, or other investment vehicles. Do your research and consult with financial experts to make informed decisions. Section 5. Eliminate debts. Get rid of high-interest debts as quickly as possible. This not only frees up money for investments, but also improves your financial health. Section 6. Leverage entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship can be a powerful tool. Explore business opportunities that align with your skills and interests. Starting a side business can significantly contribute to your wealth-building journey. Section 7. Continuous learning. The journey to becoming a millionaire involves constant learning. Stay informed about financial trends, investment strategies, and market dynamics. Knowledge is a valuable asset. There you have it, a realistic step-by-step guide to building wealth and potentially becoming a millionaire in 30 days. Remember, it's about discipline, strategic planning, and continuous effort. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more financial wisdom.